Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in New Orleans, Louisiana, home of Agrico Sales Incorporated. If you're looking for dry bulk handling, Agrico is the name of the game. From barge and ship loaders to belt conveyors, they design and build solutions to meet their clients' needs. Agrico Sales is a full-service engineering firm, equipment manufacturer, and general construction company specializing in design-build dry bulk handling projects. Founded in 1987 with headquarters in New Orleans, Louisiana, they're people's people, meaning it's their quality of work and strong customer relationships that keep them going. It's this client-first mentality that's allowed Agrico to succeed for more than 35 years. Agrico has a 56,000 square foot fabrication shop in New Orleans. Their CNC angle line, beam line, plasma table, and robotic welder enable them to fabricate major projects on time and at a very economical price for their clients. Additionally, they have West Coast fabrication capabilities. Both shops have water access, allowing them to load out large equipment to barges. When you work with Agrico Sales, you're working with truly dedicated and highly experienced professionals who delivered quality products and services time and time again. Since their founding in 1987, they have created superior barge loaders, ship loaders, and belt conveyors for clients all over the world, on time and on budget. Come see the difference. Visit Agrico for a no-cost quote at agricosales.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.